Welcome to VerifiedThreat. VerifiedThreat is an AI-driven threat and vulnerability platform originally designed for governments and sovereign nations. It simulates state-sponsored level red team attacks on critical infrastructure, national security assets, and enterprise systems. VerifiedThreat uses suites of smart agents that work together to verify each threat and show the evidential proof. We provide a full vulnerability exposure and detail the exact risks. The agents work 24/7 at massive scale across your entire digital estate. Here, we can see the verified threat results in a dynamic heat map, which gives us an instant view of the overall risk surface area. This view allows you to quickly survey the entire risk landscape and immediately identify which areas and which assets are at the highest risk. Here you can see a simulated national environment with central banks, payment gateways, infrastructure, utilities, and other mission-critical systems. Every asset is continually monitored. The platform highlights the most vulnerable elements so you can focus on what's at the greatest risk. Filters on the left allow you to drill down by the threat type, the asset class, the industry sector, or you can set custom tags for what is really important in your environment. VerifiedThreat mirrors how attackers operate in the real world. Attackers often look for the path of least resistance, the weakest entry point into a larger system. Traditional pen tests only examine a narrow slice, but here you're getting the complete breadth, the complete picture of that landscape continually. This is particularly valuable for large enterprises, resellers, or service providers who need to manage hundreds of thousands of domains and assets. The system is designed to be massively scalable. Let's look at domains in more detail. Here, we're simulating a full government environment covering critical areas: airports, energy, financial systems, central banking, Prime Minister's office. We'll add a new domain. This is going to be a corporate domain that we want to monitor, and we can tag it with the metadata such as the business unit or the priority, and you can set the asset's priority and impact for your particular threat level. Once added, VerifiedThreat's AI-powered bots immediately begin discovery. They automatically search for vulnerabilities, expose logins, misconfigurations, access points, and other potential weaknesses. You can track progress through the core history here. When the discovery process is complete, the platform generates the asset list, a consolidated inventory of everything associated with the domain. This can include the APIs, servers, web applications, endpoints, firewalls, and more. From here, you can filter assets by category, for example, banking systems. As results build, you'll see assets grouped by function. You can tag and organize them by department, business unit, or any custom taxonomy your organization prefers. Assets in active discovery are dynamically flagged, so you know what's in progress. If something is missing, say a subdomain, partner system, we can manually identify the endpoint and you can add it and classify it within the platform. With the asset inventory in place, you now have a complete, continuously updated view of your risk landscape. VerifiedThreat is a game changer for senior leadership. The continual verified threat assessments stop the pain of alert overload and allows you to focus on real, demonstrable vulnerabilities. VerifiedThreat quantifies the threat levels by verified risk area across all assets, predicts potential adversarial attack paths, enables automated countermeasures across all monitored environments, and finally, VerifiedThreat establishes institutional trust as each threat is verified to avert alert fatigue.